Instead of answering the same questions repeatedly, you can capture that information once and make it available whenever it's needed. That's the purpose of frequently asked questions. An FAQ is a question and answer created against a service to share commonly needed knowledge. Each service can have its own set of FAQs supporting two different audiences. For customers, FAQs provide self-help information directly through the customer and employee portals. For service desk agents, technical FAQs provide useful information that can help resolve requests faster. In this video, we'll explore how an FAQ is created, along with the settings that control where it appears and who can access it. FAQs are created and managed directly from the service page by opening the FAQ tab from the menu toolbar. The list displays each FAQ alongside its status, view count, likes and dislikes, and the date that it was created and last updated. You can filter the list to only show active or retired FAQs, and open any FAQ by selecting its question title. So let's create a new FAQ. The question should be phrased in the same way a user would naturally ask it. The answer field supports a rich text editor, allowing you to add formatting, embedded images, and hyperlinks. You can also add a media link to direct users to a video or other external content. Next is visibility, which determines who can access the FAQ. You can make it available on the portals for subscribers using the customer and employee portals, in the service desk for agents working on requests, or select both to make it available to both audiences. The host service is defined here. The status controls whether the FAQ is available to users. And in draft, the FAQ is saved but not displayed on the portals. Changing it to published makes it visible. Once everything is configured, the FAQ is created and appears in the list on the FAQ tab. If its status is set to published, it will also become available on the relevant portals. FAQs are ordered on the portal using the portal config option. By default, they are sorted by positive feedback, but you can change this to sort by likes, views, dates, or use manual order, which allows you to drag and drop FAQs into the sequence that you want. Once an FAQ has been created, two additional options become available in its configuration window. Retired allows you to remove the FAQ from view while keeping it available as a record. The Knowledge button allows you to convert the FAQ into a knowledge base article. Now let's take a look at how FAQs appear for different users. From the end user's perspective, published FAQs are displayed on the service page within the portal. Each view is recorded, and users can provide feedback by marking an FAQ as useful or not useful using the thumbs up and thumbs down options. This feedback is visible to other end users and also available to the service owner from the FAQ tab. Service desk agents, meanwhile, see relevant FAQs directly within the requests they are working on, through the Solutions action, based on the service the request was raised against. FAQs provide a simple way to capture knowledge once and make it available to the people who need it, helping customers find answers to questions themselves and helping support teams resolve requests more efficiently.